Hello, my dear lovely friends, respected citizens. Hope you all are fine. God's willingness for you to stay more time in home as the lockdown has been extended. Always remember, anything good or bad, whatever happens for us to learn and to know, to be more mature. So accept the unexpected. My dears, today in the session of sharing is growing, we are going to discuss about decisions. Yes. Have you decided something for your life? Obviously, yes. Decision power is the most essential power in the life. My decision is maybe, but that's final. Is that you? Have you dropped things for tomorrow? Or is it your tendency to leave the matter, to postpone the matter, to escape from taking decision? An escape is always an escape, my dears. A brave person never selects that path. Decision making is most important in the life. Being decisive is essential for the life. Remember, every accomplishment, big or small, that has always been done with the act of decision. Until and unless you decide, you can't accomplish. Choice, my dears, not chance. Choice determines destiny. In the world you will find many people, the movers and the shakers. They are moving, they are running here and there. Either those people are moving you with their decisions, or you are moving them. Choice is yours. Always remember, my dears, if you have will to win, you have already succeeded half of the part. The will to win is required. If it is missing in you, remember, you have invited the failure. The moment you commit something, the moment you are committed, always think, even God moves closer to you. Commitment is very essential in the life, my dear friends. Committed soul is the soul who worries not for the result. Be clear about interests and commitments. You may be interested in so many things, but you will do those things when it is convenient to you or when you are easy to do that. But commitment is the force that puts you into the action, avoiding all kinds of circumstances or the fear. You are only concentrated for the result. Be decisive in the life, my dears. The lack of decision is more fatal than the lack of intelligence or the ability. My dear friends, always think in this way, that if you don't decide it today, somebody else will decide, and you will have to run, you will have to dance onto the decisions of the others. It may not be interesting to you. So why to worry? Why to be afraid of? See the problems as opportunities. Think, introspect, take a decision, decide. If you don't decide, then who else will decide? And who else will be responsible for your happiness and the kingdom of joy for you? If you don't decide it today and postpone it for tomorrow, remember, by tomorrow the situations may be more fatal or gruesome. Be cool. Have patience, intelligence, not the fear. Decide and march ahead. The lack of decision may take so many opportunities off from your life and very good golden relations also. So, what are you waiting and thinking for? Decide. After all, you will get the life once only, which you have already got. Make it more meaningful, make it more golden, make it more enjoyable. Decide and do act wisely. My dear friends, decision making is very important in the life. या तो मिट जाइए या मिटा दीजिए, कीजिए जब भी सौदा खरा कीजिए. Have a great time to all of you. Lockdown that has been extended, so be more safe at home. Be very much cool because it's very hot outside with your kids and kins, your friends and your relatives. Keep sharing, keep growing. Have a great, lovely life ahead. Thanks a lot. This is your friend Rajendra Arya.